Yan, ang ganda ng view sa labas ng pier ng Cebu City.
Have you ever been the face, been the object of someone's hate? Like you stood all alone. Have you ever felt this way? Have you ever been betrayed, labeled words you just can't say, suffered silently?
Hi guys! Punta tayo ng Ormoc City for today's video. Sana po samahan niyo po ako sa video na to at tayo ay a-attend ng wedding ng aming pamangkin. Ito po pala ang Pier 1 ng Cebu City at tayo ay mabibiyahe ng 3 hours. Fast crab po ang sasakyan natin. So naka-check-in na po ako. So marami palang mga souvenir shop dito guys at hindi po kayo magugutom kasi marami pong mga food stall. So time check mga 6 AM pa po ito ng umaga. So ito pala ang sasakyan ko guys ay Ocean Jet Fast Craft. So around 3 hours ay nasa Ormoc na po tayo. So it's my first time na sumakay ng Ocean Jet papuntang Ormoc. Kadalasan kasi guys, super cut yung sinasakyan namin. So, ayan po at nakaupo na po tayo sa ating seat number. At yan, ang ganda ng view sa labas ng pier ng Cebu City.
There's a reason to believe again when faith is nowhere to be found. Try to find the strength to try again and stand on solid ground. You keep searching for a hero.
Ito po palang nakikita natin ay ang Lapu-Lapu City. So mga factory po ito guys. Economic zone ng Lapu-Lapu City.
You just wanna find a friend. You just wanna make a difference. Bring this battle to an end. All the words can make you stronger when you learn how to look within. 'Cause you're the hero that you're after. You are the hero, hero. You are the hero, hero. You are the hero, hero.
A few moments later.
So itong nakikita po natin ngayon ay ang magandang isla ng Leyte. So malapit na po tayo sa Ormoc City. And welcome to Ormoc City. Nakarating din po tayo safe and sound at papunta na po tayo sa church kung saan ikakasal ang aking pamangkin. So ito po pala ang kanilang simbahan, San Lorenzo Ruiz de Manila Parish. Sa Simangan, Ormoc City po pala ito.
Such precious time in this life. Everybody knows that it's better together. My heart is full with the love and we show. When I'm with you, I swear I could live forever. Today was a good day. Feeling like how it is supposed to be. Living life, hanging on a sunny ray.
At ito na nga ang best part sa wedding guys, ang kainan. So ang dami kong gutom guys kasi diretso from pier, diretso na agad dito sa wedding.
With you by my side, everybody knows we are better together.
Sa hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe na po kayo. Road to 80 subscribers pa po tayo. At don't forget to click the bell button para naman ma-update kayo sa mga bago kong uploads. Salamat po sa panonood. God bless everyone.